Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mizoram Education Hub. When Environment, Forest and Climate Change LTC 2018 question paper and Soldona Arithmetic Section B. Amapon Mizoram Legislative Assembly 2016 le 19 UDC ka upload to a. So in lan lo chuan mi pokhain an thia chuan heng how hi cautions anya 2018 Environment, Forest and Climate Change Department. So about that in voinan solvang. Andrew, hemi question number 1 here. 18 years ago, 18 years ago chu past anita chimi wangchuan 18 kan minus 20 chu kan shiat ngal turani 18 years hence emo after 18 years chu tita save kan plus china a question. Father was 3 times as old as his son. Chuan now the father is only twice as old as his son. Tuna also equation panhitan kan nei dona. Then what will be the sum of present ages of son and father? Can find out turber chu hemi hinia son le father age kan shalawa maseng engthil ngen given. 18 years ago, father was 3 times as old as his son. So tihian ziak potila father was 3 times anetro chimi function f equals to engza 3 times 2 son anya tahian son kan ziakang maseng 18 years ago anetro chimi function tahan 18 kan da ve trina kan minus ve nga. So f minus 18 equals to 3 into s to 3s anya hemi son tinanimo s is son anya f is father. Okay, minus 3 18s are 54 anya. So hemi minus 18 heta kan transfer de yanga. So minus 18 heta kan zia vele kan thon pay vele plus 18 ani dona minus 54 le 18 exact nge ti chon minus 36 ani trina. So tahen minus 36 kan zia kanga chon hemi 3s tahan kan zia te nga. So f minus 3s equals to minus 36. Tuna next part now the father is only twice antia. Now the father is only twice. Father equals to only twice of the age of son anya. So f equals to 2s kanya hemi f hi tahan kanda deyang. Hey value hi f hin kanda denga. So hemi f I hian nge kan ziang. F in 2s katan kan zia kanga minus 3s equals to minus 36 anya. Tuna 2s atang in minus 3s pe chu engzat nge minus s anya. Minus s hemi minus le hemi minus yan cancel thea about de dona enge age of son ti chon age of son kan huto s equals to 36 chon age of father engzat nge ni don hai in mem f equals to 2s ania chimi function f equals to 2 multiplied by s ania. So s in 36 kan zia 2 multiplied by 36 to 72. 72. So again question, what will be the sum of present ages of son and father? And yes, so f plus s can add 72 plus 36 can add exact ngani don 2 plus 6 8 and yeah 7 plus 3 10. So 108 hemi answer. Do I have a question here? Find the value of 99 1 by 7 99 mitam takina mi tiyan an sol dona hemi hi an break potanga a b by c rule ang kan mo a plus b by c ni trina chon c le a kan multiply trina a c plus b by c tiyan mitam takina an sol dona masan subjective ani chon hey step by step in sol chon tradon lutuka masan objective ani ve chon hunti he kangai lo tam takin tiyan sol trina 9 le 7 le hemi 99 yan multiply potrina. So 799 zarta yan 63 69 plus 1 by 70 yan mo tiyan multiply pay potanga 693 plus 2 by 7 693 plus 3 by 7 hemi adikla huna hek don lutuk tiyan chon. So hemi chu acceptable anilawa competitive examination achon hemi we hi athalaw dik don lutuk mo answer chu ron chuak don nge maseng hun time consume don. Okay, hemi rule hi mapon kashul to chautro lok a b by c ani chuan enge omzia chu a plus b by c an thin chu tiang bok chuan hemi 99 1 by 7 hiang tin nge kan zia thai 99 plus 1 by 7 kan zia thai plus hemi 99 2 by 7 hiang tin kan break thai 99 plus 2 by 7 tian kan zia thai tro chuan 99 3 by 7 po 99 plus 3 by 7 tihian kan ziak zelanga 99 plus 4 by 7 99 plus 5 by 7 chon 99 plus 6 by 7 tahian anula 99 99 99 99 99 le 99 voiru ko oma tahian direct in 99 multiplied by 6 kan ziak tia chon 1 by 7 2 by 7 3 by 7 4 by 7 5 by 7 le 6 by 7 chu tihian LCM no ziak separate anga 2 by 7 ya 3 by 7 ania 4 by 7 ania 5 by 7 ania chon 6 by 7 99 6 zarang zat ngan solve anga 9 6 are 54 ania then 5 kan danga 9 6 are 54 plus 5 to 59 tahian 594 plus hemi hi hey anwaya inang vector 7 vekania chimi wang chon LCM and 7 kan zia kanga anwaya chon achunga hen kan bel vekang 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 tiyan mo chunga kan ziak vekanga okay tuna kan belang pahat le pani pathum le pathum paruk le pali som le panga chun som panga le paruk chu som ni pakhat so 21 ania du chun tiang pan in sol te to 6 plus 1 7 5 plus 2 7 4 plus 3 7 so 7 voi thum oma 21 and 21 kan ziak nga chunga and 21 by 7 chu engzat nge ni trin 21 by 7 chu 3 ani trin so 594 plus 3 engzat nge 594 plus 3 chu 597 hemi kan answer hemi chu all sum den kan solve the dona basic method pon solve the short trick pon solve the short trick chu ab by a minus b module and trina so ab engzat nge 4 multiplied by 6 ania a minus b engzat nge 4 minus 6 ania module ania so 4 multiplied by 6 24 ania 4 minus 6 to minus 2 ania masing modulation of angin minus about trina 2 so 12 we can answer ni don masing basic method in thiam du chuan in shia du chuan a and b can finish a work in 4 days ania so nikhat thozat a plus b equals to 1 by 4 ania b alone can finish the same work in 6 days so tahian 6 kan da deang in how many days a alone can finish the same work and each one 1 by a tahan can find out anga 1 by 4 hemi plus 1 by 6 here right hand side 1 by minus 1 by 6 ani dona so LCM engzat nge each one 12 ania hemi 3 times 2 3 minus 2 engzat nge 1 ania so a equals to engzat nge 12 answer churo angai rang dona engma dang lam nolo LCM method pon in solve the question number 4 Henry works in a bank and his monthly salary is increased from 20,000 to 22,000 engzat nge a increase final salary minus initial salary by initial salary into 100 final engzat nge 22,000 ania initial engzat nge 20,000 ania divided by initial engzat nge 20,000 ania multiplied by 100 so 22,000 train 20,000 kan minus 2,000 divided by a tizatenia chan 0 pali oma noya achunga trong pon 0 pali kan cancel anga chan 20 by 2 chu 10 so 10% nge tam tanan ziak tro David works in a private bank and his salary increased by 15% who has received a higher increment hey inshat yamem David an amutam zoka amusang zoka hey ani chu 15% denia chan Henry achu 10% only so can answer will be David question number 5 hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 1 meter less than twice the shortest side okay twice the shortest side if the third side is 1 meter more than the shorter side find the side of the triangle okay masabara chuan so a question hi tihian right angle triangle ania tahian hemi 90 degree nia the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 1 meter less than twice the shortest tan enge shortest enge toiber ti chon hemi toiber atro base hi toibera hemi antinan base hi x assume la tahian kazia kanga let and the base be x nita se so enge hypotenuse of a right angle is 1 meter less than twice the shortest ania so twice the shortest ania chon less than 1 meter less ania chumi function minus 1 kan zia kanga tuna tahian equation kan zia kanga hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 1 meter less than twice the shortest ro twice the shortest ani chun 2x minus hypotenuse equals to 1 kan zia kan achan chu meter khatin atlema so hemi equation number 1 ania chuan equation dang if the third side hemi hi if the third side is 1 meter more than the shorter side okay hemi side hi 1 meter more than the shorter side ani chuan hatayan x plus 1 kan zia kan tayan hit and trial claim tluak mangila mo claim tluak mangila x yan tirnan 3 assume hemi engzat nge ni don perpendicular side hi 3 plus 1 ani don atro omzia chu hemi hi 4 ani dona hetayan 3 an dale chi aila true 3s are 6 and a 6 train pahat pe chu 5 so triplet po a satisfy find the sides of the triangle ania hypotenuse kan muto 5 ania tro hemi maseng hit and trial ani base engzat nge 3 ania perpendicular engzat nge ti chon 4 ania hemi hit and trial ania maseng basic in kan solve ang tuna chuna all sum vector kan she vector tahian enge kan man tur chu Pythagoras theorem mo PGT kan mang don tahian PGT chu ange hemi denote la a b c so ac square equals to ab square plus bc square tuna ac enge 2x minus 1 square equals to ab engzat nge ab chu x plus 1 square ania plus bc engzat nge x square tuna hemi kan expand nga 2x minus 1 whole square anga ti chon a minus b whole square kan manga so 2x square chu 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to hemi x plus 1 po hi a plus b whole square kan manga x square so x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x square tihian heta po plus 1 oma helama po plus 1 oma so hemi chu ha erase photila hemi minus 4x heta kan transfer chon plus 4x ani dona chon plus 2x omsa 2x le 4x chu plus 6x ani dona right hand side x square pani oma so 2x square left hand side kan da vele tahian minus 2x square ani dona 4x square train 2x square pe chu engzat nge 2x square tahian 2x square kan zia kang so x le hemi x kan cancel anga so 2x equals to 6 ania x equals to 3 najina upon ko se tro hit and try la 3 kan da achan chu Pythagoras theorem ania Pythagoras theorem ani vain triplet chu a satisfy don nge achi wangchan kashathiam ngala x kan da x a 3 kan da chon x plus 1 4 ani dona chon 2x minus 1 baka alang vek in practice na satlu chon in shathiam ngal da alang vek ke chon ka muthe ngala I right angle triangle nia x are 3 kan da chon x plus 1 4 ani dona chon 2x minus 1 chu 5 ani do alang hal maseng step by step ti hian ka solve Pythagoras theorem manangai dona so x equals to 3 x nge base ania so base equals to 3 ania hypotenuse engzat nge tahian kan put up de nga 2x minus 1 a 3 kan da chon 6 minus 1 into 5 ani dona chon perpendicular he tahian x plus 1 a x plus 1 a x nge x3 nia 3 plus 1 to 4 so these are answer to now question number 6 the difference between simple interest on a certain sum at the rate 10% per annum for 2 years okay and compound interest which is compounded every 6 months okay and ruta hian mitam takan boy mai the ta hian compounded every 6 months in muam compounded every 6 months omzia chumo semi annually anitrain semi annually anitrain in movele in shathiam ngaltur compounded every 6 months ani chon semi annually emo half yearly pokan train hemi half yearly pokan so ange can find out ju principal ania the difference between the simple interest and compound interest ania nangni ponin sianga simple interest compound interest ain voi khat ma tam thailo mo atam ngai lo interest chumi wangchon compound interest halama hian kan ziak trin compound interest minus simple interest equals to engzat nge 124.05 tuna compound interest nge formula chu p 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power n hiang poni thei mo t po kan the n po kan the x po kan the chumi chu time period ani thina minus 1 ti hian hemi compound interest formula ani thina minus simple interest formula nge ti chuan prt by 100 equals to 124.05. Tuna ta hian a time hiang zat nge simple interest time 2 years ane tro ta hian 2 kan zia kanga a rate hiang zat nge 10% ania chona hnuai hei hemi le hemi 0 kan cancel te hemi 2 le hemi 10 hi 5 in kan cancel te so hemi chu eng ma po zia ngai to lotan p by 5 kan zia kang chu tiam bok chon ta hian p chon 1 plus r eng zat nge r10 ane tro divided by 100 chu na china pon ka se half yearly ani hian a rate hi a half daysel hemi in shia tangai 10 ani to don lotan 5 ani to don chon a time hi a double to don 2t ani to don minus 1 tuna t engzat mo 2 years ani tro ma seng 2 multiplied by 2 chu engzat nge ni don 4 years ani don minus p by 5 equals to 124.05 tuna hemi 5 le hemi 100 hi 1 by 20 in kan cancel te ya onchu 1 by 20 kan ziak te ya chon 21 za 20 nia chon 20 plus 1 chu 21 nia so 21 by 20 21 by 20 21 raised to the power 4 by 20 raised to the power 4 ta hian enge kan zia the 21 raised to the power 4 by 20 raised to the power 4 minus 1 minus p by 5 equals to 124.05 hetan kan zia kanga so p 21 raised to the power 4 yan tiang kan zia thai 21 square chon whole square kan ti thai tro 21 square ang zat nge ni trin 441 ani trin divided by tuna 20 raised to the power 4 ang zat nge ti chon 2 raised to the power 4 16 ani trina 0 raised to the power 4 omza chu 10 raised to the power 4 chu bl pali tan kan zia nga 16 zo bl yan pali chon minus 1 minus p by 5 equals to 124. Claim calculative tuna hami 441 square hiang zat nge ti jan 441 chu 441 ania 416 17 1764 184 okay 19 tan kan sia kanga p jan 19448 minus 1,60,000 divided by 1,60,000 John minus p by 5 equals to 124.05 19448 1640 kan page 1 exact nge 34481 tahian 34481 34481 a remaining dona tahan p kan zia kanga so 34481 divided by 160000 hemi voilinia chuan hemi minus p by 5 atangin p hi common pona hi tan kan ziak tonga so 1 by 5 ani to dona equals to 124.05 hemi exact nge LCM hemi mo exact nge LCM ti chuan tahian 160 voili kan ziak kanga maseng heta hi nge kan ziang 5 exact zar nge 1,60,000 ti chuan 32,000 so tuna engma boy ngai tolawa p kan zia kanga tan LCM 1 lakh chuan 16,000 bl pali 34,481 train 32,000 kan pay chuan exact nge 2481 remaining dona equals to 124.05 hem point hi kan da sonanga noya 0 pani om dona hem 0 pani le hem 0 pani kan cancel anga hian chuan hemi sangkha zarukhi 12405 nen kan multiply nga tahan kan ziak de nga 1600 chuan 2481 hi noya 2481 enge relation om 2481 le 12405 5 times ania chumi wangchon hemi le hemi 5 in ngani 5 ente kan shia thai achan ju atopa an 1 ania hata atopa 5 ania ain cancel nge dona achan ju option a engma fractional value omlo integer va kania so hemi le hemi hi pumpu 5 in kan cancel thai chon 5 le hemi 16 hi engzat nge multiply chon somria tania chon atopa mi bl pani hei atopa mi bl pani tan kan da de our answer option number b in shia thiam lo chon voi khat question number 6 hi train in n le don ya hemi question itlemin atileng di veka hey 2 years ania 2 years chau chuni se a poimi lo to ne ma se compounded semi annually half yearly ante de ya every 6 months ante de chumi function 4 years ani de ya so 4 years ani vel calculation atitam veka ne ha so n chaleula in shethiam So question number 7, an amount of rupees 2430 is divided among A, B and C such that if their shares be reduced by 5, okay, cheng som le cheng som panga reduced by antinia mo anti claim de tina 15 respectively, the remainder shall be in the ratio 3 4 le 5. Okay, what is B share? And the question here